Well, once the installation is finished, we have 3 instances ready to go. I'm going to be entering one by one just to run the initialization commands we'll have data available and have a usage examples. So we had still 1 instance, 2 instances on one in the cloud, and 1 instance on a LAN. Same thing here. I will enter the password and then initialize. Here, what happens? And well, we're going to access them also by web. As a result of that, and I'm really missing this one. Then environment, LAN, cloud, and cloud. Let's whiten the passwords on the 3 instances we just deployed. Instance 1, instance 2, instance 3. There we are, 123. Well, let's trust a couple of trunks. I'm going to grab one of the instances. I'm going to use a LAN, and I'm going to use a cloud. I'm going to set them up a little test base with a dummy zip trunk to make some calls and see, well, this bucket thing, especially this practical work, has to do with the issue of working with external buckets. So, okay, I'm going to upload some audio as well. This is my LAN instance. What I wanted to see is that let's upload an audio, let's do a couple of calls, and well, let's see how this bucket thing actually operates. How to make sure that we did correctly the work of configuration and deployment. So to the LAN instance, I already uploaded 2009. And on the cloud instance, we are on that. Let's go to see here already. For example, in the object browser, I go to me, to my bucket, and here it is. Look, in media root is already the audio that I just uploaded here. So I delete this because I actually had uploaded it in a test previously. Here is half root. And for the case of here, I have just uploaded another audio in the instance that ends in 126. That, for us, is Felling. And here in the table bucket, there should be Geo, also the media root of Django. There, because I already uploaded a recording. I uploaded a file, a locution. So let's see if here I go with the agent in the LAN environment. And here we go with another agent. Let's remember that these agents I'm using Truncalis and everything I'm creating directly with the Ausend environment initializer. I'm using a command line to quickly emulate an operation. Here I'm crossing a call through the instance that I have on LAN. And now, let's see. I want to see this. I want us to see this. I'm going to put here in network and in the media part so we can see how it operates. For example, in the search part of the recordings, I am going to illustrate this agent's own recordings. And we can see that here already is watching it for me. So I want to look at this DevTools. Notice that the request we do to the IP address of the instance. However, well, not that. Django itself responds. Notice to 9000. That is actually after the file, we're going to look for it. To the bucket and to the endpoint that we have declared. Here it says 172.16,000, 113.29,000. There, we're going to look for the recording of the object storage, which in our case is the Minio that we have on premise here, external, using it. And well, here we are also going to do this now. And we see that here is already precisely today's date and the recording that we just generated. If the recording that we just generated here, this test preview to this phone, is already inside the bucket, and well, here we can do something similar. Back with these dummy users created by the Ausend environment data initialization command. Now in the cloud environment, with my bucket also in the cloud, I'm going to do something similar. Agent has logged in and is generating a call. And there I already connect the call. Ready recordings. Here's my recording. And let's continue here to the bucket. Now, I only had the media root with the audio file that I had uploaded through as audio from Telephony Omniliads. Now I also have here recordings this way. Then I have decoupled and have outsourced the part of bucket. To show a little drawing, but well here we are in this scenario. External bucket. Each instance has its external bucket decoupled. So here we are persisting recordings, locutions that we have uploaded, and in the next lab, backup.